Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the windshield and the static sticker so adhesion and alignment are perfect. Clean the glass thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Let it evaporate and dry with a lint-free cloth. Once done, hold the sticker in place and use a small removable tape to mark the top edge. This gives you a consistent reference. Make sure ambient temperature is above 10 degrees C so the sticker lays flat. These steps prevent bubbles and misalignment later. Now you apply the sticker with controlled motion to avoid trapping air. Peel the backing only halfway and hold the exposed adhesive. Do not touch it with fingers. Align the visible edge to your tape guide, then press the center of the sticker to the glass and slowly smooth outward toward the edges. Use a plastic squeegee or a credit card wrapped in cloth to push out air in firm, even strokes. This method forces bubbles out and seats the film for stable dashcam mounting. Finish by trimming any excess material so the sticker fits the dash cam's footprint and the camera has an unobstructed view. Once applied, let the adhesive settle for 24 hours before attaching the camera or adjusting. This ensures full bond strength. If you find small bubbles, lift the nearest corner gently and re-squeegee outward, or use a sterile pin to pierce and flatten a tiny trapped bubble, then smooth it down. This approach secures optics and prevents future peeling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.